Yes, so you can see now this place. It's really amazing. We had some forest here we had cleared, but again it has started growing. Yeah, just to avoid these water catchment areas. So we have to make a bit of clearing these trees so that we don't have. We recently had said that so many of them falling. They are making this place to have some erosion, a lot of slides, landslides. Those are the landslides you can see. You can have a look at this area how the trees used to fall like here now. Is to make a lot of landslide. But since they cut down the trees now, at least there are no more erosions, soil erosions. You see? Yeah. So guys, let us go back now home. Go back to other business. See these ones, this lantana camara. These are having very nice flowers. You see, it's a nice one. It is really beautiful. Lantana camara. Yes. Okay, that's it. Yeah, we have different types. This one has really impressed me with the kind of flowering it's really having. It's a different one from the other one. But all the same, they are still plant all of them. So guys, now I can go back to my other duties. I'm sure they're almost calling me. Just wanted to show you a bit of this plantations here. Yeah, in this place of ours, what we always do is agriculture is our thing here. We plant a lot of maize, plant a lot of cassavas, guys. Plant almost everything that you can ever think of. It's only that I still don't have enough time to to show you all the things here that we always plant. You can see all over the side. All planted. This season, almost everybody has planted maize, beans, cassavas, tobacco. Yeah, sugar cane. Yeah, I'll be showing you in my consecutive videos where they have the sugarcane plantations, how they make the jaggeries, how they process them, how they do the cutting. Yeah, you can see now, like here now, these maize are taller than me now. Yeah. Though we have to do some pesticide control here. You can see how these ones have really been eaten up by the worms. Yeah, this one we have to do something here. You can have a look, like this section here. Ideally this section is a small section where maybe when they were spraying, maybe they forgot to spray this place compared to other places like these ones. They are very nice. They don't have any infection, any worms there. So you can have a look at another forest here. Here they really like planting this blue gum tree, and it's really okay. It is a time when maybe you want to construct, and actually you need those trees for you to make some timber and other things. So guys, this is another okay, just the same garden. You can see it's a large one, guys. It's almost 2 acres of maize here. I'll show you some. You can see, guys. I'm not able to show you because everywhere because of the nature of the land. So you can have a look. Have a look at this base. Here we have a river, guys. Next to this temple we have a river. You have to reverse the other side and this one on this side. Yeah, this one is having a lot of water flowing, like the other side, but the river source is still small. This river actually comes from Tanzania. It is flowing right from Tanzania to this place. Right from Tanzania. Guys, actually, this place. So, this place is just actually along the border of Tanzania. I'll show you where the pillar where the pillar is. You may reach to that place. Actually, guys, here I've actually seen some people are breathing here in the river. People are taking a shower there. Here in this river we have men taking a shower. Hope there is no one who is naked. And I want to pass through this place. I don't want to offend anyone. Yeah, people are just showering, washing clothes on the river. Oh, guys, have a look at this. This is now how the cassavas are planted. You just use the stick. Yeah, you make some nice rows, and then you just place the stick. As you can see now, they have not. Some of them have started growing. This one. Yes, and after some 2 to 3 months they'll be fully grown. They'll be big enough and having some roots inside that will be taken as food. Yes. Now guys, now I love to stop there and go and show you something else before I stop this video, guys. Yes, you can have a look again. That stone, guys, makes the panga to be very sharp. Can sharpen even a knife. Yeah, you just collect them. For some of you might be asking, can I use any stone like the other one next to it? That one is for other things like crushing them. Some of them used to grind maize for flour. So when you want that kind of a stone, you just have a comment on that. Go to my comment section. I'll find you one stone from the mountain. You have another mountain where we collect them. Yes, I think this brother of mine would like to say something, maybe, and maybe say hi to you people.
Hey, how are you?
Yes. You can see he's still working on the panga. He's busy. Maybe what can you have to say to viewers? How do you find this sharpening, or what tricks do you use? Because I'm sure the other people who cannot be able to use that stone to sharpen the panga. Do you have to say anything to the viewers?
What I can say, if you want to sharpen this pang using this stone,
Yes.
you may contact me. I'll help you to see to get it if you want to get it. That's all I really have to say to you.
Bye. Nasi. Yeah? Yes, guys. So as he has told you, yes, you can, if you want one of the stones, you can just a call away, a one call away, and then you'll get it. So guys, you use water. Yeah, when you continue sharpening, you add some water so that it cleans up. Again, it adds some, makes it to be more sharper. Yeah, I think even the grinders cannot beat this. When you sharpen this one, yes,
it cannot beat this.
you can explain to them in Swahili. Some of the people understand Swahili more than English. So anapowaambia ni hii mawe inakuwa inaweka makali zaidi ya file. Ni hatari sana ukikuwa umenoa mpanga yako na hili jiwe, inaweka makali zaidi.
Inaweza maliza hata siku 3 bila
bila kuisharpen tena. So next time, by the way, he works in a he's a blacksmith. One of these fine days I'll visit him in his workplace and I'll show you what he does. He does some amazing things, like tools like jembes, pangas, knives, spears, so many things he does. So next time when I find time, I'll go and make a visit and make a video of the same so that you can have a look.
You cannot make it into
So there he feels whether it's sharp. Now it is almost ready now for work. If you try to cut even a tree in a very short time, it will be down. Yes guys, let me show you something else here. Never seen the cassavas that have already been harvested and they are being processed. You can have a look at them. Yeah, cassavas there, the traditional chairs. Have a shade here, natural shade. You can just relax and the sun can never find you. Just be very comfortable. Shown sweet potatoes, guys. Here, the sweet potatoes now. This is how they are planted. Just almost the same way that cassavas are planted. They're really amazing, guys. This in a short while they'll be harvesting here. So let me go to let me show you this area here to the border now. Here, just along the border here. You can see now this area. It is the river is flowing all the way to that area. You can see people are washing here. You see now this place. The river is still flowing now from the other side. Then someone is doing here some bricks. Making some bricks here. Making some bricks here, and there you are. There you are. Here is where they are stored. Have some good number of bricks here, guys. These are just enough to build a story building, guys. You can see. So, as I have told you, this is the road that we cross. And then cross this road, guys. Now you are going out to the other side of this. Let me see whether I can find. Yeah, please. What? Okay. Utara mo rin. Iga. Kanani kara kakoro ko bahano ko sing hokan. Gapila. Huh? Yes, guys, now I think I've actually found another amazing plant here that is very important to some people who know the herbal medicine. Yes, now guys, I think I've reached now to the other where I've been telling you about this one. Nice, as you can see, this one is really this one. See, this one is TZ. This side is TZ. You can see, yeah, this is border. As you can see on the other side, this side is Kenya. Yes. Here is just the border, guys. Here is the border. So this side is Tanzania. This side is Kenya. So you can have a look. This one, this maize plantation are on the side of TZ. This one you can see a very beautiful farm here. Yeah, the other side here is in Kenya. So you can have a look, guys, at this area. Yeah, you can have a look, guys. Have a look. This mountain is to the next to the market, or market, a big market. See, you can have a look at it closely. The elders don't want people to go to that mountain because they actually practice some of their rituals. They practice some things there. I don't know what they practice actually. Yes. So guys, I think we can meet in my next video. We can share more. Make sure you subscribe, watch, like, and comment. Feel free to comment. I'll be shooting you in the next video. Feel welcome, and bye bye for now, guys.